Hi guys, in front of me is NOKIA C21 Plus, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint. So at first open the list of all apps and then go to settings. Then select security and click on fingerprint. Here you need to pick some backup to your fingerprint. It can be pattern, pin code or the password. Let me choose pattern, then provide it, click on next, re-enter the pattern just to confirm. And now manage your notification content. I would like to hide it all and then just click on done. And now it's time to add your fingerprint. So as you can see, the sensor is located at the back cover of your device, right here. So just keep tapping on the sensor and then the fingerprint will be added. So just patiently keep tapping until you see that it's done. So here it is. Tap on done to finish the whole operation, and from now on you will be able to unlock your device with this fingerprint only. So that's it, that will be all. This is how you can smoothly and easily add your fingerprint. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.